So with the batten for our honeycomb shade, the block-out shutter, it'll be pre-drilled and have the bases pre-attached. So we just need to fix this piece into the recess in line with where we've measured for our frame. The honeycomb shade will come all stacked up, ready to go. The brackets are installed up at the top here, and so it's just again a matter of getting it on the right angle, hooking it on the front, and then snapping it back in order for it to clip into place. When you attach the shoes, you just got to make sure that the cords are nice and straight, slips over and then pushes across. Like that. The shade's installed. It's got a finger well in order for you to pull it down by hand. Sits over the top just like that. Now if the shade starts a little bit higher and it's going to be hard for you to reach that, we do provide a small wand that allows you to clip into the rail, pull down, or from the back to hook in and push up. So that's for a window that might be a little taller and out of reach.